Financial literacy is one of the most valuable life skills you can pass on to your children. In a world where spending is easier than ever, with online shopping, in-app purchases, and instant payments, helping kids understand the value of money early on is more important than ever. When children learn how money works, they gain confidence, independence, and the ability to make smart financial choices as they grow. Teaching kids about budgeting, saving, and responsible spending doesn't have to feel overwhelming. It's all about using simple, everyday moments as learning opportunities. Whether they're managing their weekly allowance, setting a savings goal for a new toy, or understanding how earning money works, each small step builds a strong foundation for their long-term financial success. By starting early and guiding them gently, you're giving your children the tools they need to become financially responsible adults, prepared, confident, and ready to make wise decisions with their money. Age-appropriate lessons on saving and spending. Teaching kids about money starts early, but the key is keeping the lessons simple and age-appropriate. Younger children can begin with the basics, understanding that coins and bills have value, recognizing that money is earned, and learning that saving allows them to get something they really want later on. As they grow older, you can introduce more mature concepts like setting financial goals, distinguishing wants from needs, and tracking spending to understand where money goes. One of the easiest ways to start is by encouraging your child to save for a specific item, like a toy or special treat. A savings jar or a visual tracker helps them see progress in real time, which keeps them motivated and teaches the value of patience. Even everyday routines, like shopping at the grocery store, become simple lessons. Show them how different brands have different prices or explain why you choose one option over another. These small, consistent teaching moments slowly build strong money habits that will follow them into adulthood. Fun ways to introduce budgeting to kids. Budgeting doesn't have to be boring. In fact, it can be a fun and engaging way to teach kids financial responsibility. Start with something they care about, like budgeting for a birthday gift, a school project, or a weekend treat. Use colorful charts, stickers, or kid-friendly budgeting apps to make the process visual and easy to understand. You can also turn learning into play. Set up a pretend store at home, give them play money, and let them shop within a budget. This helps them understand choices, trade-offs, and the importance of sticking to a spending limit. Another great way to teach budgeting is to involve them in real-life decisions, like choosing between 2 snacks or planning a family outing within a set budget. These interactive experiences show kids that budgeting isn't about restriction, but about making smart decisions with the resources they have. The power of allowances and earning money early. Allowances are one of the most effective tools for teaching children how to manage money. Giving kids a small, regular allowance helps introduce the idea of income and the responsibility that comes with it. It teaches them to make their own spending decisions, save for future goals, and understand the value of every dollar. Linking allowances to simple chores can strengthen this lesson even more. When kids complete tasks like tidying their room, helping with dishes, or doing small household jobs, they learn that money is earned through effort. Encourage them to divide their allowance into categories like save, spend, and give. This teaches balance, generosity, and delayed gratification, 3 key elements of financial maturity. Over time, these habits shape disciplined, thoughtful, and confident future money managers. Mistakes to avoid when talking money with children. Discussing money with kids can feel uncomfortable for many parents, which is why the topic is often avoided altogether. But when money becomes a taboo subject, kids grow up without understanding how finances actually work. Instead of shutting down discussions with phrases like, "We can't afford that," try explaining the decision behind it. "We're saving for something more important," or "We choose to spend our money on things that matter most." This gives children insight into smart financial decision-making without creating fear or shame around money. Another common mistake is assuming kids will just figure it out later. Children learn more from what they see than what they hear. Show them what responsible money habits look like, whether that's sticking to a grocery budget, saving for holidays, or comparing prices before buying something. Invite them into simple conversations about planning and spending so they understand that money management is a skill, not a secret. By modeling healthy financial behavior, you teach your kids that money is something they can control, not something they need to fear. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides.